How to link Nintendo account to Xbox Fortnite. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of connecting your Nintendo account to Xbox and Fortnite. It's a relatively straightforward and a speedy procedure, so be sure to stick with me. The most efficient way to link various account types to Fortnite, regardless of your gaming console, is through the Epic's Game website. Open a web browser on your computer or a phone and navigate to store.epicsgame.com and hit enter. Once there, sign into your Epic's Game account, where you can manage all the associated accounts. Sign in using the Epic's Game account you use for the Fortnite, regardless of your console. When you hover over your name on this section, select Account from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will redirect you to the Epic's Game account settings. Within this page, use the left-hand menu to navigate to the Apps and Accounts. If you are in the Apps category, switch over to Accounts immediately. Here, you will have the ability to link various accounts types such as Steam, GitHub, Twitch, Xbox, PSN, and Nintendo to your Epic Games, which is Fortnite account. By following the process through this page, you will be able to successfully link your Nintendo account to Xbox and Fortnite. Simply click Connect beneath the account you wish to link and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll receive a warning prompting you to link your Nintendo account or the respective account you have selected, detailing the shared data, game progression, purchases, and game content. Confirm that you want to link and open the on-screen instructions to complete the process. I recommend taking your time if you aim to link multiple accounts, as this will enable you to share, progress, and manage your account more effectively while playing the Fortnite. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you how to link your Nintendo account to Xbox for Fortnite. If this video has been beneficial to you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.